Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. So first scroll from the top and open the Wi-Fi settings. Then disable the Wi-Fi and enable it again. Now we need to wait for the network to connect. Hit the gear next to it, disconnect and forget. Then try connecting once again with your network. And if you still have any issues, then try restarting your phone and the router. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.